What's up, guys? Mr. Meadows here. I know it's been a little while. Wanted to come in and give you a heads up on saving a little money. I've got my '06 G6 GTP with a 3900 V6, and what the issue is, amongst other things, is that the power line went out. Power steering line went out. As you can see, I've removed the power steering line. You see here, I've cut both lines. Because what I'm going to do, instead of replacing the line, because that involves a lot of work and removing stuff in order to remove that line in one piece, because it attaches all the way back here, and it's very hard just to get to the bolt that it attaches to. You'll see those two lines running. They come all the way around, ending here. So it's very difficult to get that one piece out and put back. That's going to cost you hundreds of dollars to get done at the shop. So what we're going to do is, we got the old one out. This is it. There was a break somewhere in here, small hole. And trying to put the new one in, where is it? It was very difficult to get this long L in place. See how long that is? And trying to get that in there around everything without taking off the wheel or dropping the frame or dropping the rack, you know, or moving the radiator out, stuff like that. All that stuff's just going to add an hour to a job that should only take 45 minutes. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go to the hose. All right, money saver. Costs $8 for about 3 feet of this. It is I got the transmission hose line, so it's going to be a similar pressure line to this power steering. Got your clamps on the end. I'm going to cut this so that I'm going to cut it about here and replace the line with that rubber hosing. That way I can slide it up in here, and I'll have no trouble putting the rubber hosing on the ends of here and tighten it, and then putting it on into each individual hose here and tighten it, and that should get us done. Just wanted to give you a tip, save you some money. As always, see you later. Mr. Meadows out.